Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to download the Stake app on your phone. It's super easy and only takes a few seconds. Let's dive right in. Since the official Stake Casino app isn't available on the Play Store or App Store, here's what you need to do instead. Open your preferred browser, like Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type stake.com. Once the website loads, you're ready for the next step. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. From the menu, select Add to Home Screen. When prompted, tap Install or Add. The Stake shortcut will now appear on your home screen just like a regular app. Tap it any time to launch Stake quickly and easily. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy Stake right from your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.